Hello, my name's Andy Latham, and I want to welcome you to our C# scripting course on migrating VBSCript modules to C#. The course is going to discuss techniques on how we might migrate the VBSCript modules you've written and use with the load module function in your VBSCript customization. I just wanted to raise a point. The C# scripting doesn't change any of the functionality of the app designer or custom pane controls. The knowledge you have in manipulating Syspro and its custom panes remains the same. All we're talking about here is how we change the language that you've been writing in and do exactly the same types of Syspro manipulation that you are used to. There are some prerequisites, however. The course assumes that you're familiar with Syspro App Designer and custom pane technologies and have experience in developing apps or custom panes using VBSCript as a development language. You should have worked through the course 9 C# scripting intro course as well. In fact, I'd say that if you haven't, I'd stop here and go and do that first. That will at least introduce you to the changes to the UI and how the C# scripting works. We will be creating a C# class libraries, and to do that, we will need Visual Studio Community or Visual Studio Code to be installed, or the full-blown Visual Studio. And I have discussed licensing on Visual Studio and the Microsoft products in the previous course. I'll touch on it a little bit later on as well. So what we're going to be doing is we will have a quick look, an overview of the load module and what it did and how it works, and then discuss how we're going to replace it with C# class libraries. We talk about deployment. We'll run into a series of demonstrations, fairly simple classes, to illustrate how it works and also to show you some techniques on how you might support it and so on like that. And then finally, we'll do a course wrap up. So that's what we're going to try and do. So without further ado, let's get cracking.